A handful of minutes into the cook and the temperature is climbing up. But you know what I forgot to do was to show you before I put the meatloaves in, and there they are. Look at that, they're already browning up. Despite the air temperature being about 34, 35 degrees, man, that oven is flat climbing, man. It's right at the 300 mark now. And it would take these little mini meatloaves 18, 19 minutes at about 375. And if let's say you couldn't quite get to that temperature, it would take a little longer. But I don't think there's going to be any problem, because that welder's blanket and these cinder blocks are really blocking the wind and stuff. You can see a little bit of wind blowing. You can see little threads of the thing blowing all over the place. All right, we're like, I don't know, 11, 12 minutes into the cook, and that oven is oh, I don't know, 350. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. It's firming up nice. Alright, look in the back side of this little enclosure that we made. And you can see it's hollow all the way down through there, man. Yeah, wow. It's really warm inside. This would be the place to hang out, man. On a cold night. There we go, man. Oh yeah, we're definitely at temperature. It's holding steady. Yep, I believe the secret is cinder blocks and breaks the wind, welder's blanket. It seals up the holes. It'll give us about another 5 or 6 minutes and we'll take them out and see what it looks like. Okay, we are right at about the 18-minute cook hour. So we're going to take them out here in a minute and we're going to see whether they are done. Oh yeah, I think they're done. I think so. All right, use one of these disposable pans. That way